Right, another instalment in the power feed saga. This is the motor I want to use. I've took the top off. It's this motor's off a Nissan Qashqai, whatever it's called. It's a 2-speed motor. Comes with the bolts. Quite small. That was £16.50 I think on eBay. It's got two connections here, one for the slow speed and one for the slower speed. You can ground the case in. Well, obviously, because you want it reversed, so you'd have to. But anyway, there's a ground in there. So there's a ground there. One of those connections is a ground. Then you got the 2 positive, which is the 1 speed, and then the other speed. So you just reverse them, obviously, to put the motor in reverse. I took it apart just to see. This comes out. I just took it apart to see what was inside. Some little contacts in there. I think you got the ground and the 1 speed and the 2nd speed. I think this bit here is just I'm not going to use that, obviously. It makes contact with this contact here. I think that's just for disengaging the power when the wiper motor comes into a park position. So I'm not going to have a park position. So anyway, that's the motor I'm going to use. I'll put that over there. Obviously I'm going to fit it on this side of the mill, so we'll just see what we're going to do here. We've got the handle washer, little washer nut. So we've got obviously we've got the shaft and a keyway with the key there. Got this bracket here. So basically, what I'm going to do is obviously make something that's going to fit over there. I've measured this. I've measured that, and 12 mil. 12 mil. So I'm going to, I've looked on YouTube and there's various ways to do this. A lot of people put a socket on here, a spark plug socket or ordinary socket, hexagon with a socket, and then the shaft goes into the motor, obviously. Yeah, that's alright. I could do it that way, but what I'm going to make, which other people have done as well, I'm going to make a hexagon pin drive dog cum connector. I don't know what the hell you call them. If anybody knows, let me know. But basically, it's that kind of thing there. It's hexagon, I don't know what you call them, but you get the gist. That's it there. So I'm going to have a 12mm hole. That's going to be about 25mm. So that it's going to slot over there. I probably won't have a keyway. I could, you could very lightly mill a little slot into it, but I probably would just have an hole with a screw in that locates in the keyway, tighten it up, do it that way. Probably do it that way, so as long as it works, that's the main thing. So basically that'll go over there, and then I'll have the obviously the motor on here somewhere. Maybe maybe that way. That's got an 8mm thread on there, with a spline on there, obviously, to if it's almost a wiper motor, this is, so you know the wiper arms come with a spline, and it's an 8mm nut. So I'll probably just do a shaft with an 8mm thread in it, with a chamfer on to locate on the spline, and then I'll probably drill through there and put a pin through to lock that shaft onto there, and then obviously I'll have that shaft come down to this side, and obviously I'm going to have to make another one of those, the female one. Well, they both fit together, don't they? So male or female end. So I'm going to make two of those. So the one will lock inside the other, and then I'll have to do some provisions of having that slide up and down on this shaft here. So that'll be that. And obviously it comes with the 3 bolts. This motor does. Comes with the 3 bolts. So that'll bolt onto a little plate there, and I'll probably have 3 studs, or make another bracket for here, or whatever. And then on these 2 studs I might have some kind of a mechanism for just pushing that connector into mesh with the other one, little lever or something, or you could just do it by hand, I suppose. Whatever, I'll cross that bridge when we come to it. But that's my theory at the moment. So I shall start that little job, and when I'm milling the parts, I'll take some more video. So I'll catch it again.